Let's create a bar chart in Google Sheets, one of the easiest ways to visualize your data. First, make sure your data is ready. For example, I have monthly sales in one column and the corresponding values in another. Highlight the data you want to graph. It doesn't have to be the entire sheet, just the range you want. Next, go to Insert Chart. By default, Google Sheets usually picks a column chart, which is essentially vertical bars. If it doesn't, no problem. On the right-hand side, under Chart Type, you can switch it. Column chart equals vertical bars. Bar chart equals horizontal bars. If you want horizontal bars, just select Bar Chart, and your chart updates immediately. Now make sure your axes are correct. For example, the month should appear on the x-axis for column charts or the y-axis for bar charts. Adjust this under Setup, x-axis, or y-axis for bar charts. And here's a little styling tip I love. Go to Customize, Chart Style, Background Color and set it to None. This makes the chart transparent so it can sit neatly next to your data, blending into the sheet instead of looking like a floating box. Whether you want vertical columns or horizontal bars, these steps will get your data visualized cleanly and professionally. If you want to get more out of Google Sheets, build smarter dashboards, design better charts, and save time, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll help you level up your spreadsheets.